Sun's out, shirt's off. It gives you a lot of confidence when you can show your perfectly built abs, more than having big arms, shoulders, or a pumped chest. This is most of our goals. So in this video, I show you how you can get that Greek god tier six-pack. I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's begin. Are abs built in the kitchen or the gym? The truth is it's both. Burning fat is crucial, but the more muscle you have underneath, the more ripped you'll look. First of all, cardio. Cardio can help you achieve a low body fat percentage and is a great way to manage stress and improve your mental health. Every successful man you know probably do some kind of sports or cardio movements. It's just essential to build a healthy and wealthy life. So you find something you like, swimming, running, or if you just started out, hop on the treadmill and walk for 30 minutes every single day. The hard part is that you have to stay consistent, but trust me, every day it will be easier. Because you don't want to be a skinny guy with abs, you need to go to the gym and do some kind of weightlifting. The most important are heavy compound movements, which also help you build your core, but more on that later. Going to the gym and doing other activities in general helps you burn fat and get muscle so you can look like a villain. Exercises. For the exercises, you need 3 main exercises which will build up your six-pack. Leg raises. I recommend a hanging one. It's harder, but builds your core even more. Sit-ups with a bench. If you're strong enough, grab a plate to make it harder, and a long lever plank. But you also need to hit your entire core through heavy compound movements like bench presses, deadlifts, Bulgarian splits. The good thing is, if you have a good program, you are already doing these things, and your abs are getting trained every day. Along with this, train your abs 3 times a week, preferably on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You give the muscles time to rest, but get the pump because of the intensity. You need a good diet. Surprisingly, your kitchen is a great place to build your abs outside of the gym. It's important to fill your diet with lots of nutritious, whole foods such as fruits, veggies, whole grains, healthy fats, and high protein items. The thing is, most of you already have a six-pack, but it's covered with fat. Your first goal is to build muscle and lose that fat. For that, you need to eat in a caloric deficit. Caloric deficit means you burn more calories than you gain in a single day. To see exactly how many calories you need, you can write in calorie calculator and see how many calories you need to maintain your weight and how many you need to burn to get in a deficit. You are the most attractive when your body fat percentage is between 8 to 15%. This is the spectrum where your abs are truly visible, but you don't need to sacrifice a lot to maintain them, so aim for that. The meals you need to stay lean and get energized while building your dream body are high in protein. For example, whole eggs, chicken and turkey, fish, or Greek yogurt. Aim for unprocessed foods. Eat as much natural raw things as you can. Switch from burgers and a bag of chips to foods that give your body nutrients and are good for your health. You also need to eat 2 grams of protein / kilos or 1 gram / pounds. If you can't get your protein intake only from foods, buy a good quality whey protein. There are a lot of types you can choose from. Choose the one you like from a good brand. I hope you got a closer look on how you can build a defined six-pack. Check my other videos to level up.